Hello, this is Tom from Pandacat. In this video series, we are going to take a look at one of our products, Booki Booki. We will start with an overall view of this product and a short description of each page and feature. And then in the next videos, we will dive into each one and explain how it all works. So what is Booki Booki? This product is a complete booking and workflow management system designed for service-based businesses like repair shops or consultants. It provides a secure backend that only you can access and a user-friendly front end that your clients use to book appointments or submit requests or even manage their appointments. Just to show you what it looks like using a sample here, once a client interacts with your forms, for instance booking an appointment, your information appears right here on your bookings board. From there, you can manage the entire workflow, such as generate PDF invoices with a click of a button, or send them invoices, communicate with them via SMS or email, and rebook them for follow-up appointments using the reschedule button here, or some other cool features. For example, you can let your client rebook with you using this special one-time code called bonus codes, which we'll get into all of these in detail in the future videos. Let's just do a quick tour of this application. On the left side here, you have the navigation panel. This is your main control center showing the different pages you can visit. And the main area here on the right is where the content of that selected page is displayed. For example, right now we're on the dashboard. Up top, we have a header bar. It shows you your next two upcoming appointments on the left. And if you click on any of these appointment cards, it will take you to that appointment. On the right side, you will find a few icons. The Quick Notes icon opens a space for you to save frequently used text snippets, which makes it easy to copy-paste content that you often use. The Client Settings icon lets you configure all the automated notifications and self-service options for your clients, like SMS reminders or cancellation policies, or email notifications for yourself and your clients. Then there is the AI Assistant, which is currently a microphone button, and this can help you manage your schedule using just your voice. This feature uses our AI assistant, which is currently in beta, but it actually gets a lot done already. And finally, the notifications bell keeps you updated on all recent activities like new bookings, reschedules, or cancellations. Now, back to the sidebar. The upcoming page gives you a clean list of your future appointments. This comes in handy when you want to visualize your day at a quick glance, or if you're on the go and want to find the address or direction to your client's address. Next is the bookings board, and you'll probably spend most of your time here. This is your main workflow hub, and we'll dedicate a few videos to how it works. The contacts page is basically your client directory. It automatically builds itself as clients book appointments with you. Blocklist is a security feature that lets you block unwanted bookings based on email, IP address, or keywords. This is also a useful feature if you want to block a specific entry, and it can help your clients put in the right information, which saves you lots of time. We'll get into this later as well. Availability is where you set your weekly working hours and block off specific dates or hours. You can also set your buffer time and minimum booking notice and etc. Booking form is where you customize the questions and welcome message for your main booking link. You can use custom regex, you can build questions, and we will get to all of these later as well. The estimate form is the second link that you would have, and this page lets you set up a separate form for new client inquiries or project estimates. This is for clients that are not ready to book an appointment with you and just want to receive an estimate. They can put in their information in these kinds of forms and submit their info. Next is the bonus link. The bonus link is a feature that allows you to create a special booking link that requires a one-time code to book an appointment. It's perfect for follow-ups or promotions, or for example, pickups or clients that you already have their information, so they don't have to fill in a hefty form again just to book an appointment with you. Invoicing is where you configure your invoice template, manage tax rates, your logo, your company name, and etc. Next is deliveries, which is for businesses that need to collect a shipping or delivery address from their clients during booking. We also have the appearance page, which allows you to customize the look and feel of your public-facing forms to match your brand. And finally, the AI Assistant page, which is currently in beta. It allows you to perform actions using natural language commands like make me unavailable on Sundays or similar commands. And these are your different enable public links that you can simply click on, and it will take you to that page. Basically, this is what your clients will see. All these links are the ones that you would share with your clients. There's also a copy of these links in your dashboard where you can copy and paste them to your clients, or publish them on your website, or link them to a button. And that is a quick tour of what this product looks like. We are constantly updating this app and bringing new features, so things might look a bit different from time to time, or by the time you're watching this video. So feel free to use the free 30-day trial to try everything out for yourself, and hope this product comes in handy. See you in the next videos.